Making your home look occupied and difficult to break into is a crucial step in keeping your property safe and secure. Here are some important tips to follow to ensure the safety of your home at all times. First and foremost, always remember to lock all outside doors and windows before you leave the house or go to bed. It's essential to make it a habit to lock your doors, even if you're just stepping out for a short time. This simple step can make a big difference in deterring potential burglars. Leaving lights on when you go out is another effective way to make your home look occupied. If you're going to be away for an extended period, consider using automatic timers to turn the lights on in the evening and off during the day. This will give the illusion that someone is at home, making it less appealing for burglars to target your property. Additionally, it's important to keep your garage door closed and locked at all times. An open garage door can make it easier for burglars to gain access to your home, so ensure that it's properly secured. Don't allow daily deliveries of mail, newspapers or flyers to build up while you are away. Arrange with the post office to hold your mail, or ask a trusted friend or neighbor to take them regularly. This will prevent your absence from being obvious to potential intruders. When it comes to the security of doors and windows, check your locks and replace them with secure devices as necessary. Push-button locks on doorknobs are easy for burglars to open, so consider installing deadbolt locks on all your outside doors. Sliding glass doors are also vulnerable, so look into special locks for better security. Similarly, consider upgrading the locks on other windows with the help of a locksmith or hardware store. Additionally, never leave keys under doormats, flower pots, mailboxes, or other secret hiding places, as burglars are well aware of these common spots. Instead, keep a detailed inventory of your valuable possessions and consider marking them with your driver's license number using an engraver from your local police department. Moreover, be a good neighbor and stay vigilant. If you notice anything suspicious in your neighborhood, don't hesitate to call 911 immediately. It's also a good idea to form a neighborhood watch group to work with your neighbors in improving security and reducing the risk of burglary. Lastly, considering installing a burglar alarm system for added protection. This extra layer of security can provide peace of mind and act as a strong deterrent for potential intruders. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can make your home less susceptible to break-ins and ensure the safety and security of your property.